Hello, I'd like to talk to you about the problem on page 343, number 3. Let's look at that problem here. Let's see, right here is it. We have a ticket manager of a movie theater, and I guess for one of the shows he sold 540 tickets and collected a total of $2,935. If he sold adult tickets for $6.50 and students tickets for $4, how many of each did he sell? Okay, so we have two unknowns, the number of adult tickets and student tickets, and we want to find how many of each were sold. And so I'll come back here to my workspace. I need to have two variables. I'll let x equal the adult ticket that were purchased, and then y tickets. Maybe y be the number of children's tickets that were purchased. Okay, so we'll come back to the word problem. If you look at this sentence here, they sold a total of 540 tickets. The number of adult tickets plus the number of children's tickets, 540, and so that gives us one of the equations: x plus y equals 540. Now, if we come back here, we got to come up with another equation. Well, they tell us they collected almost $3,000, and they tell us the price of the adult tickets and the student tickets. Well, if each adult ticket's $6.50, and you sell X of those, if you multiply $6.50 times X, that tells you how much money you'll make on adult tickets. And then similarly, $4 for children's tickets, 4Y will tell us how much we make off the children's tickets, and then this is the total amount that you'll make, $2,935. So that'll give us the other equation. Let's see, it was $6.50 for the adults, so 650x, and $4 for the children, 4y. That's how much money you'll make. And then altogether they made $2,935. Let me see here. Yeah, it's $2,935. $6.50 for an adult ticket, $4 for a student ticket. So now we have the two equations. It's typically the hard part to solving a system of equations. Now you can complete this by either using substitution or elimination. I think it would be easiest here to use the elimination method. So we have x plus y equals 540. So we can solve for either x or y. The coefficient of y is 4. That'd be a nice number to work with. So I think I'll solve for y here. So I'm going to subtract x from each side. And so y equals 540 minus x. So I have solved a top equation here for y. So now I'm going to come back to the other equation, or the bottom equation, and I'm going to substitute in or replace y with what I found with the top one. I'll write everything down on the bottom equation except y. And in place of y, I'm going to substitute 540 minus x. I can squeeze that in there. Okay, now I just have an equation with an unknown, and I can find out how many adult tickets were sold. So let's see if I solve this equation. It's 650x. Now let's see, 4 times 540, that'd be 2,160. You could verify that with your calculator. Minus x, just root the 4 here, equal 2,935. If I combine the x's, 6.5 minus 4, it'll be 2.5x plus 2160 equal 2,935. I need to get my variables on one side, so subtract this 2160 from each side. Let's see here. I have to come up here and finish this. It'd be 2.5x equal, and if I subtract, that would be 5. I need to borrow one here. That'd be 7. And that would need to make it an 8. Since I borrowed 8 minus 1, that's another 7. last thing, and they divide by 2.5, and I'll have adult tickets sold. Let's see here. I think I will use my calculator here. 775 divided by 2.5. 310. So I have half the answer. The question, I know how many tickets were sold. We also want to know how many children tickets are sold. So you can go anywhere where you got a Y. Right here would be the easy place. Place Y, X with 310. Let's see, I don't think I need a calculator for this. That would be 203 children tickets. Okay, well, I hope this helps.